Hi friends, my name is Joe. Today we are going to discuss about AI, that is artificial intelligence. So the first question is, what is artificial intelligence? In this there are two more questions. What is artificial, and next one is what is intelligence? So what is artificial? Let's Google it. What is artificial? Google says that made or produced by human being rather than occurring naturally. So which is not occurred by naturally, it is artificial. So non-natural is artificial. So write this, non-natural. So the next question, what is intelligence? Let's Google it. What is intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. So in simple words, the ability to think. This definition is not proper. You can agree or disagree. Okay, next is, so what is artificial intelligence? Okay, combining that definitions, we will get non-natural ability to think. That is artificial intelligence. And why we creating a thinking machine? What is the purpose of that? For that, there is another question. Why we created machines or tools? For what purpose? We created machines for doing job for us or doing our jobs. So now tell why we creating a thinking machine. It's simple, for doing our thinking jobs. Is it correct? Okay. At the beginning times, we created machines for our physical jobs like JCBs, cranes, and grass cutters. But now we are creating machines for our mental job also. That's why we creating artificial intelligence. So in future, human need not to be do any job. Why? You don't need to study, you don't need to go for any job, or you don't need to do farming, you don't need to make products for you, you don't need to build house for you, even you don't need to eat by your own hands, but you can do as you wish. Why you don't need to do? Because machine will do it for you. Machine will do it all the task for you. So why you want to do? Wow, what a wonderful world. Are you doubt about this? Little. Don't worry. Machine will take care of it. Okay. Bye.